Hello all, welcome back to Step Campus. I hope you understood our last video about types of cultures. Today we are gonna cover types of communication. If you have any concerns or doubts, please mention in the comments below. Also follow us our page for Nightwatch, Cucumber, Selenium and Articulation. So to start with types of communication, there are four main types of communication: direct communication, indirect communication, formal and informal communication. Coming to direct communication, the communication is done directly. It conveys information explicitly through the description and facts. The information is conveyed with facts and descriptions. The language is the tool to share the information and accomplish the task. Feedback and debate are encouraged. Country which follows direct communication is USA, Germany and Russia. How does this play out is people feel free to express their opinion or to disagree. They never go round the bush. They'll always express what they feel. They'll put forward their opinion, or if they disagree, they put forward that also. The honest feedback is given. The direct feedback is given. They'll not go round the circle. There is less effort on saving the face and more on the accomplishing the task. Unless and until the task is completed, they'll follow the communication chain. More emphasis is placed on concrete data. In indirect communication, the information is conveyed implicitly through the inferences and connections. The information may be passed on to the lead via some favorite employee or some way around, but not directly. Whereas in direct, they will say directly to the respected person. Language is means to create meaning and strengthen the relationship in the indirect communication. Feedback is softened and conflict is avoided. Countries which follow indirect communication are Japan and Pakistan. How does this play out? Is people express their opinion and disagree only with whom they trust. Unlike the direct communication, here the people will always express themselves only with whom they trust or only with whom they know. Constructive feedback is given indirectly. There is great concern for saving face and maintaining harmony. People will always think about what the person in front of them is thinking rather than putting their point towards them. Context and circumstances greatly influence that. Formal communication. Formal communication, it is executed with adherence to protocols, the use of the titles, differential treatment with the superiors. Usually when we talk to our leads, when we talk to someone who is superior to us, when we talk to our supervisors, managers, we always believe in formal communications. Countries which follow those are Japan, Arabic speaking countries and India. How does this play out? There is careful differentiation between the speech for intimates and outsiders or superiors. When we talk to our colleagues or friends, and when we talk to an outsider or superiors, we always have a different type of language, different type of tone, different types of communication. So that is what basically a formal communication is. Language is often expressive or used to create mood or to tell a story. Speakers use ritualized language to discuss various topics with the superiors. Official correspondence is often carefully planned in advance. Whatever we will reply to our managers or superiors, we always think in our mind and then we say it out to them. Whereas when we talk in front of a friend, we always have a back in mind that we are talking to our friend, and that is why we be informal. In informal communication, it is characterized by casual interactions with little protocol, few titles and relatively egalitarian treatment. Countries with strong informal communications are USA, New Zealand. How does this play out is there is moderate differentiation between speech for family members and esteemed superiors. The language is often instrumental or is used as tool to convey information or accomplish tasks. Speakers use many common expressions and slang. They'll always behave like friend to each other rather than superiority over here. Informal communication can be spontaneous and free form. These were the types of communication. Hope you got all. If you have any doubts, you can mention in the comments. That's all for today. We will meet you in next session. Links are for the previous videos are in the description below. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Keep learning. Happy learning. See you until next time.